Hi, it's Lucia from Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle. I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite snacks made with 4 vegan, gluten-free, organic, all-natural ingredients. Organic vegan popcorn, truffle oil, and some very special salt and pepper. Starting with this very easy air popper. Just plug it in, use its measuring cup to measure your popcorn, and to heat your butter. Pour your popcorn in the slot. And if you're using butter, you can put it right in here and then seal it on top. Place a bowl underneath. Start it with just the touch of a button. And in just a matter of minutes, you have fresh popcorn. Drizzle on some truffle oil, sprinkle some salt, add some pepper, delicious and healthy. Enjoy. And it stores quite conveniently.